my children. This is the day you should always remember as the day that you almost
forgot to wear your safety glasses. In Volvo, this is pretty unpretentious and the simplest of light changes. So you're going to pull this pin right here. I'm going to put that aside so I don't lose it. This entire assembly comes out. There is a tab right here. You're going to pull that power cord out. Then what we want to do is take both of these metal toggles off. This will, I'm going to put here so I remember when to take it off. Now we're going to take the bulb out. It is a counterclockwise twist, and this is a halogen bulb, lefty loosey, and there's two tabs, out this way and out that way. So my fingers are in the way, and voila. At the same time, I just don't want the light bulb to go flying anywhere. There we go. And if you notice, I'm wearing gloves. If you touch these, the oil from your hands will significantly shorten the life of the bulb, so I recommend these. If you don't have gloves or prefer not using them when you're working, make sure you don't touch the bulb. There's our new bulb. You can see it is absolutely perfect. There's no burnout in it. We are going to go back in where we came out. You are going to notice that this brown, you should line it up on the left side, and that taps right on. This is not idiot proof, so you have to remember which way you took the bulb out. There's a wide part and two narrow parts on here. There's the wide and two narrows. So you're going to line it up best I can and make sure it's flat. You have to play around with it for a minute, then it twists right in. Just for fun, back here is your fogs, and over here then the turn signal that pops right out. That's an old incandescent bulb that looks absolutely fabulous, and that twists on. I'm going to put this cover back on exactly the way it came off. Look, see, this one's idiot proof. If you put it on upside down, you can't put it on. I love that. When you hear the clicks, you're good. And this entire assembly, you want the turn signal on the outside. It goes back in the way it came out. I am going to plug this back in. This is also idiot proof. You can only put it in one way. And this assembly is back in. I played around with it a little bit and it's completely flush. And I'm going to show you where this pin goes next. Alright, here's my pin, and it has to line up right here. Hold on. You put it in right here, and you have to line it up right there, and those other pins down underneath come out. It's pretty cool engineering. And we're done.